According to the National Electrical Code Section 450.13, a disconnecting means is required on the supply side of each transformer. If multiple transformers are installed as part of the same equipment, a single set of disconnecting means for all the transformers is permitted. This disconnecting means must be readily accessible and, when open, isolate the transformer from all sources of electrical supply. The location of the disconnecting means is addressed in NEC Section 450.13b. It states that the disconnecting means shall be located in a readily accessible location outside the transformer vault or enclosure, with a few exceptions. Firstly, where the transformer is used to supply power to a distribution system and is located on a pole or structure, the disconnecting means can be located in accordance with the routing and protection provisions for conductors of the distribution system. Secondly, where the transformer is installed in a vault or enclosure designed for the purpose, the disconnecting means can be located inside the vault or enclosure, but a permanent sign shall be placed on the exterior of the vault or enclosure indicating the location of the disconnecting means and the operating procedures to be used. Thirdly, where transformers on a common secondary are located in different vaults or enclosures, a single disconnecting means can be installed in one of the enclosures or vaults, and this disconnecting means shall be capable of isolating all transformers on that secondary from all sources of electrical supply. Moreover, NEC Section 450.13c specifies that the disconnecting means shall be capable of being locked in the open position. This lockable feature is essential for safety during maintenance or repair work, ensuring that the transformer cannot be inadvertently energized. To summarize, a disconnect is required directly next to the transformer unless specific conditions are met. These conditions involve the location of the transformer, such as being part of a distribution system on a pole or structure, or being housed in a designated vault or enclosure. In such cases, alternative locations for the disconnecting means may be permitted, provided that certain conditions are met. The presence of a separate lockable means of disconnection can influence the placement of the disconnect, potentially allowing it to be within sight rather than directly next to the transformer, assuming all other requirements are satisfied. In scenarios where the disconnecting means is not directly next to the transformer, having a separate lockable means of disconnection is crucial for ensuring safety during maintenance and repairs. This lockable feature allows personnel to secure the transformer in an energized state, preventing accidental energization while work is being performed. Consider a scenario where a transformer is located within a vault, and the disconnecting means is situated outside the vault. In this case, the disconnecting means must be readily accessible and lockable, allowing personnel to isolate the transformer from all sources of electrical supply before entering the vault for maintenance. Another situation may involve multiple transformers on a common secondary located in different enclosures. In such cases, a single disconnecting means can be installed in one of the enclosures, provided it is capable of isolating whole transformers on that secondary. Again, this disconnecting means must be lockable to ensure safety during maintenance and repairs. The specific requirements for transformer disconnects can vary depending on the installation and local regulations. It is essential to consult the latest edition of the National Electrical Code and any applicable local codes to ensure compliance. Understanding these requirements is crucial for electrical engineers, contractors, and maintenance personnel involved in the installation, operation, and maintenance of transformers. Proper disconnect placement and the availability of lockable means of disconnection are vital for ensuring the safety of personnel and the reliable operation of electrical systems. These regulations are in place to prevent electrical hazards and ensure that transformers can be safely isolated for maintenance, repairs, or in emergency situations. The NEC guidelines provide a framework for safe electrical installations, and adherence to these guidelines is essential for protecting people and property from electrical hazards. In addition to the location and lockable means of disconnection, the disconnecting means itself must be appropriately rated for the voltage and current of the transformer it is serving. This ensures that the disconnecting means can safely interrupt the flow of electricity in the event of a fault or during maintenance procedures. The disconnecting means should also be clearly labeled to indicate its purpose and the equipment it serves. This helps to prevent confusion and ensures that personnel can quickly and easily locate the appropriate disconnecting means when needed. Regular inspections and maintenance of transformer disconnects are also important to ensure their continued reliability and safety. This includes checking for signs of damage or corrosion, verifying that the disconnecting means operate smoothly, and ensuring that the lockable feature is functioning properly. Any issues or concerns should be addressed promptly to prevent potential electrical hazards. In summary, the requirements for transformer disconnects are designed to ensure the safety of personnel and the reliable operation of electrical systems. By understanding and complying with these requirements, electrical professionals can help to prevent electrical hazards and create a safer working environment. The key aspects include the location of the disconnecting means, the availability of a lockable means of disconnection, proper rating of the disconnecting means, clear labeling, and regular inspections and maintenance. Adhering to these guidelines is essential for protecting people and property from electrical hazards and ensuring the long-term reliability of electrical systems. Moreover, it is important to consider the specific application and environment when selecting and installing transformer disconnects. For example, in harsh or corrosive environments, it may be necessary to use disconnects that are specifically designed to withstand these conditions. Similarly, in applications where space is limited, compact disconnects may be required. When working with transformers and their associated disconnects, it is always advisable to consult with qualified electrical professionals who have the knowledge and experience to ensure that the installation is safe and compliant with all applicable codes and regulations. They can provide valuable guidance on selecting the appropriate disconnecting means, determining the optimal location, and implementing proper safety procedures. The goal is to create a safe and reliable electrical system that protects people and property from electrical hazards. A thorough understanding of the National Electrical Code and local regulations is essential for achieving this goal. By staying informed and following best practices, electrical professionals can help to ensure the safe and efficient operation of transformers and other electrical equipment. Furthermore, it's beneficial to emphasize the importance of ongoing training and education for electrical professionals. The electrical industry is constantly evolving, with new technologies, codes, and regulations being introduced regularly. Staying up to date with the latest developments is crucial for ensuring that electrical work is performed safely and in compliance with all applicable standards. Training programs, workshops, and continuing education courses can help electrical professionals to enhance their knowledge and skills and to stay informed about the latest industry trends. This investment in education can lead to improved safety, increased efficiency, and enhanced career opportunities. It's also worth noting that the requirements for transformer disconnects may vary depending on the voltage and size of the transformer. Higher voltage transformers typically require more robust disconnecting means and stricter location requirements. Similarly, larger transformers may require multiple disconnecting means to ensure adequate isolation. The specific requirements for each installation should be carefully evaluated to determine the appropriate disconnecting means and their placement. In addition to the NEC, other standards and guidelines may also apply to transformer disconnects. These may include standards from organizations such as the Institute of Electrical and Electronics Engineers, i.e. in the National Fire Protection Association (NFPA). It's important to be aware of all applicable standards and guidelines and to ensure that the installation complies with all requirements. The proper selection, installation, and maintenance of transformer disconnects are critical for ensuring the safety and reliability of electrical systems. By following the guidelines outlined in the NEC and other applicable standards, electrical professionals can help to prevent electrical hazards and create a safer working environment. Ongoing training and education are also essential for staying up to date with the latest industry trends and best practices. By investing in education and adhering to safety standards, electrical professionals can contribute to a safer and more efficient electrical industry. Remember that the information provided here is for general guidance only and should not be considered a substitute for professional electrical advice. Always consult with qualified electrical professionals before performing any electrical work. They can assess the specific requirements of the installation and provide expert guidance on selecting, installing, and maintaining transformer disconnects. Electrical safety is paramount, and it's essential to take all necessary precautions to protect people and property from electrical hazards. The goal is to create a safe and reliable electrical system that provides power efficiently and safely.